Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I've always thought about doing a video on Curaleaf, and I was just thinking about it earlier, and thought it was Monday, and whoops, actually it's Tuesday. Anyway, I was on a kick of doing MJ Monday, but I guess I missed it, but that's besides the point. But anyway, we can still do the video. But back to Curaleaf. I don't own any of this one yet. It's over the counter, so I don't know if you can buy this one on Fidelity. They're a little bit more reserved. I'm sure you can buy it on TD Ameritrade. You might have to pay a commission. But this is Curaleaf Holdings. I'm sure if you're watching this one or follow the MJ or follow my channel at all, I've covered quite a few MJ stocks. But this one is Curaleaf, ticker CURLF. And you can kind of see what it's done here over the last month. It's kind of just traded kind of sideways, just kind of up and down. A little bit on the downhill. This would have been actually yesterday, so it's been kind of going down. Could have bought the dip there yesterday, but missed it. I keep forgetting about this one, but got some interesting information. I think I'm going to do a separate video on this here later. This is a top 10 MJ stocks, and Curaleaf was actually number 6. Market value $11.4 billion. If you're looking for a pure play MJ company in the United States, Massachusetts-based Curaleaf Holdings could be the way to go. The company got its start in New Jersey in 2010, developing one of the first vaporizers to administer a single measured medical MJ dose. And it just kind of grew from there. And I can see that catalyst alone just kind of propelling the stock. So today it operates in 23 states and owns and operates in 93 dispensaries, 22 cultivation sites, and 30 processing sites. Curaleaf is becoming one of the world's leading MJ companies by using science to enhance the customer experience. While it got its start in medical MJ, Curaleaf is working to develop lifestyle brands that support adult customers' recreational use. Vertically integrated, it controls MJ business from start to finish. It has operations from coast to coast. So you can do your thing from coast to coast. Blaze up, whatever you want to do. 37 states have legalized medical MJ. Another dozen or so states have legalized adult use MJ, with several other pushing to do so. And soon it's just going to be all of them. Someday it'll be legal on all of them, and this will just continue to go up. That's why I got into these probably back in 2017. They were the big talk, and the ones that I've had, as I've showed you, if you follow my channel from A to Z, a lot of them I got into a couple years ago, and they went down. Now they're coming back up, but I just continue to hold them. These are a long-term play for me, so they can't go anywhere but up, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so you have to do your own due diligence. That's just how I look at this particular sector. It's growing. Everybody's talking about it, whether it be legal or not. I'm in Nebraska. I mean, I go out for a walk. A car passes. It's not legal here, and I can smell it. I mean, whether it's legal or not, everybody's doing it. So that's just stating a fact. I'm not judging, not for it or against it. I'm not in the use myself. I just like the stocks and see the potential. And if you have a Netflix, there's a lot of good shows on there in regards to the CBD part of it. With the I can't say the name of it. It might come to me. There was a show on there. Seizures. it helps with seizures. So there's a pretty good show on there. I'm sure if you just search for MJ or this particular word right here, you'll be able to find it. So in February 2020, it issued 55 million subordinate voting shares, $286 million to acquire Cura Partners, a deal that was announced in May 2019. And I'll let you pause the video and read the rest there for yourself, just so the video is not too long. CURLF wields M&A to tap European market, agrees to buy EMMAC for $286 million. This is just 3 hours ago. MJ company CURLF is looking to expand to Europe via M&A. The Wakefield, Massachusetts company announced Tuesday that it will acquire one of the Europe's largest MJ companies, EMMAC Life Sciences, for approximately $286 million in cash and stock. Transaction, which is expected to close during the second quarter of 2021, will mark CURLF's entry into Europe, making it one of the first multi-state operators to do so. So that, I would see, is definitely a catalyst. I mean, after the purchase, the stock might go down, but that might present a buying opportunity. And I mean, getting into Europe, getting into Europe has got to be a big thing, especially where it says it's making one of the first U.S. multi-state operators to do so. So definitely a catalyst there. By the way, this is my girlfriend right here, Halle Berry. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Sorry I had to throw that in there. She's smoking hot, so I don't care what you say about her. This just kind of goes over some more information. Feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. That's on MS Money. CURLF entering Europe market Q4 sales rise. This is just dated here today, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Said it would enter the European MJ market through an acquisition, another sign of how companies in the sector are trying to position themselves ahead of growth in the industry in the years ahead. Right there, enough said. That's why I'm getting into these stocks, and hopefully they'll seem like pennies now and keep running up. And this is just kind of some more information as of 2 hours ago. CURLF Holdings agreed to buy EMMAC Life Sciences Limited for about $285 million. That's just a kind of an update. Feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Also, back to the 2 previous screens. If you like Halle Berry, you can leave that in the comments too. We'll see who all out there supports Halle Berry. CURLF reports record fourth quarter and fiscal year end 2020 financial and operational results. CURLF, a leading U.S. provider of consumer products in MJ, today reported its financial and operating results in the fourth quarter and year ended 12/31/20. All financial information is provided in the United States dollars unless otherwise indicated. And right here you have the earnings, managed revenue, total revenue. Feel free to pause and go over that for yourself. It's probably, seems like it's kind of messed up. There's probably a better place to get the earnings at than that website. This is their actual website, CURLF. Ready to start your journey with MJ. We're honored to be your guide. MJ 101. With confidence, welcome home where the grass is not just greener, it's better. So like I said, I've been going to do a video on this one for quite some time, and I don't know why I kept putting it off. Sublingual tablets, if you don't know what that is, that means you actually put them underneath your tongue. Lingual is tongue, sub is below. First Florida market with sublingual tablets. That could be another huge thing. This is how the biggest MJ company in the world. Oh, this is now. Sorry, I read it wrong. CURLF brings back Pete Freight's Ice Bucket Challenge to raise money for ALS Boston. So, see, no matter what people say about MJ, there is a lot of good out there. I've covered a lot of good companies. My favorite is still Planet 13. I was going to do a video on them, but I couldn't really find any new information, so there wasn't really much to do a video about. But you can find those in my library. That's one of my favorite stores, and this is a pretty attractive store here too, so I'm going to hopefully start following this one a little bit closer and get some shares, and when I do, I will make a video about that. So, but I've heard people talk about this one, and for whatever reason I kept putting this one off, and I just thought, today's Monday, but I think I messed up and it's actually Tuesday. And back to Reddit here. 20 days ago. Stuck twits. Big money coming. That's hilarious. I have been dollar cost averaging the stock. I don't have a whole lot of money for investing, so I buy a few each month. That's what you have to do sometimes. That's have to start small sometimes. So I live close to one of their dispensaries, line out the door all day, every day. Wow. So right there you have it. I just did a video on OZUP, one yesterday as well. And this is another big catalyst here that I found on Twitter. Earnings call, beverages coming in April, called Select Squeeze, game changer. So another big catalyst. So if you have any shares of Curaleaf, go ahead and leave that in the comments, as well as your cost basis. That would be interesting to know. And because this has been on a nice run for the whole last year. Gosh, I totally missed out on that one, but maybe I'll start doing like that other person and start dollar cost averaging into this one. So we'll see. But like I said, if you have this one, leave a comment and how many shares you have, and if you have any other videos on any other MJ stocks you want done, I'd be happy to take a look at those and check out my library. I've already done quite a few on Grow Generation, Planet 13, and the list goes on. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, and as well as subscribing. And I just hit 600, and we're on our way to 1,000. So I thank you for all the support, and happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.